Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Deepu's Decoder. This is GV Deepak Kumar. Let's start our video. In this video, I will give a basic idea about MAUI and advantages of MAUI over examiner forms application, and I will try to clarify some common questions which is raised for examiner forms developer about MAUI. .NET MAUI is a very hype in today's world. .NET MAUI will bring every .NET developer as a mobile developer. Let's see about .NET MAUI. .NET MAUI stands for .NET Multi-Platform Application UI. .NET MAUI is a evolution of Xamarin Forms. Microsoft will bring this MAUI in upcoming release of .NET 6 version. .NET MAUI will bring lot of consistency to the developers experience and enable some new innovative experience for developers. Let's see some common questions which is raised for every Xamarin Forms developer about .NET MAUI. What is the big change in .NET MAUI for Xamarin Forms? In Xamarin Forms, we are maintaining separate project for each platform. Like, for example, if you want to develop Android and iOS, we are maintaining separate project for Android and separate project for iOS. But if you take in .NET MUI, which is a single code-based project, so we no need of required each platform-wise project, which work with a single code-based project and it will work for all the platforms. On .NET MUI, we have a built-in resources to access the native APIs for all operating systems such as Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. What is the aim of .NET MUI? The main aim of .NET MUI is improving app performance and simplifying multi-platform app development. In Xamarin Forms, we face a lot of lagging issues while we starting up the application, or if you add any native platform code, the performance of the application will be decreased. So this .NET MUI will try to minimize this type of issues. This is the main aim of .NET MUI. And another aim of .NET MUI is decrease the size of the applications. If you take any Xamarin Forms empty application also, it will take nearly 20 MB of size. But this .NET MUI will decrease the size of the application when we compare to the Xamarin Forms. And another main aim of .NET MUI is modernizing the design capabilities and extending from mobile to desktop platforms, starting with Windows and Mac OS. Every mobile developer or Xamarin developer will have a one common doubt is if you want to start a new project today, should we go with Xamarin Forms or wait for .NET MUI? I will try to clarify this problem. Use Xamarin Forms without hesitation because our .NET team will provide well-defined migration steps to convert our Xamarin Forms application to .NET MUI project. And we have another advantage is without changing any code, we can able to update our Forms project to .NET MUI. So without any doubt, we can able to start new projects with Xamarin Forms. Another big question of every Xamarin developer is, will my custom renders which is existed in current project is work in MUI? Yes, definitely it will work. .NET team provide adapters to enable renderers to work side by side with the new handlers. But you should consider updating to handlers in order to improve the performance again. Plus, it's a lot of less code to maintain if you use new handlers instead of custom renderers. What about Xamarin Android and Xamarin iOS projects in .NET MUI? As part of unification, Xamarin iOS and Xamarin Android will become part of .NET 6 as .NET for iOS and .NET for Android. That means in Xamarin Forms, we have a Xamarin Android and Xamarin iOS projects, which is now converted as a .NET for Android and .NET for iOS in .NET MUI. Let's see advantages of .NET MUI. The main advantages of .NET MUI is single development project experience. That means in Xamarin Forms, we have to maintain separate project for different platforms. But in .NET MUI, we have a single code based project for all the platforms. We don't have any separate project for separate platforms. This is the main advantage of single development project experience. The main reason for single development project experience in .NET MUI UI is if you want to write any platform code, we have to go to every Android or iOS project and we need to write dependency services, custom renderers, and we need to install NuGet packages for every platform. That is very frustrated for developers and it will decrease the performance for the developers. To fix all these issues, .NET team will come up with a .NET MUI UI with single code based project. Another advantage of .NET MUI UI is it supports modern pattern, that is MVU. Up to now in Xamarin Forms it supports MVVM pattern and React UI pattern. Now .NET MUI UI will support MVU pattern also. This is the another main advantage of .NET MUI UI. With the help of this MVU pattern, every .NET developer also easily write or easily develop mobile applications with less time. Another big advantage in .NET MUI UI is it support hot reloads completely. That means up to now in Xamarin Forms we have a hot reloads for XAML code. That means if you change any code changes in XAML page without rerun the application, we can get these updates in our running application. But if you change any code in C Sharp, we are not able to get these updates in running application. Again, we rerun the application is required. But from .NET 6 onwards, .NET team will provide complete support for hard reloads. So .NET 6 onwards, we are getting hard reloads for C Sharp code also. So if you change any code changes in C Sharp also, without rerun the application, we can get updates in running application. Up to now, Xamarin Forms, we are able to work in Visual Studio only. It will not support in Visual Studio Code. From .NET MUI UI onwards, we can able to run or we can able to develop our mobile applications either Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. So .NET MUI UI will support Visual Studio Code also.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel The Push Decoder and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.